Welcome to Neurodiversopedia, where we explain all the complicated sciencey jargon you wish you understood in simple ways. Rawr. Those aren't dinosaur hands. That's not what we're talking about. But it kind of looks similar if we were to be making fun of somebody. Dinosaur hands are usually when you fall asleep, and they're more prevalent among female sleepers. So kids in particular will fall asleep with their arms underneath them, their hands, and it puts pressure on the nerves in their hands and in their wrists. It's kind of hard for them to get out of it sometimes. It takes a minute to stretch the muscles and the bones. Sometimes the wrist might be limp for a period of time, so even after they got out of bed, their wrist is still out here like this. It's something that's treatable, but it takes a little while to adjust sleeping habits. Sleeping on your back instead of sleeping on your stomach is one of the ways in which you can avoid dinosaur hands. There's nothing in particular wrong with dinosaur hands unless it's making you feel uncomfortable. When I say you, I mean probably your kid. If it hurts, they start getting aches in some of their joints, or maybe their arms are going numb and they feel really uncomfortable. In that case, you might want to start practicing sleeping in a different posture. If you like that definition, then hit the thumbs up right down here or subscribe and you can get way more of these definitions as we put them out. This site is part of Neurodiversopedia, which is sponsored by Goalie. To visit Goalie, go to getgoalie.com.